eyes on this. No, not Mr. Ed here, this. It's not a concept car and it's certainly no test mule. This is the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. And as you can see by its bold new look, Hyundai is not horsing around. Hyundai Australia has peeled off the camouflage wrap and given us not only an exclusive look at the all-new 4th generation Tucson in pre-production prototype form, but our first drive just months after its world debut. For 2021, the South Korean carmaker's best-selling SUV has been given a huge makeover that extends well beyond its striking design. The midsize SUV is safer and smarter, packed to the rafters with new technology and offered with a range of powertrains including petrol, diesel, hybrid and plug-in hybrid. Although the latter pair are yet to be officially confirmed down under. But enough of that. Let's take a closer look at Hyundai's latest entry in the hugely popular midsize SUV category. Well, it's bold, and that's exactly what Hyundai was going for. If these sharp, angled panels down either side don't catch your eye first, this futuristic front end will surely. And check out these integrated vertical daytime running lights. But that's not all. The design of the rear end is just as bewitching, while the interior has had major renovations of its own and is now equipped with a big 10.25-inch display and an open hoodless digital instrument cluster that's the same size. The interior is luxurious and futuristic. There's no more conventional gear shifter, and most of the controls and knobs inside the cabin have been replaced with these touch-sensitive flush buttons. And from the pilot seat, the experience feels more driver-focused, with this slick new steering wheel and customizable digital dash. It's also fitted with a bunch of new safety features, some of which are borrowed from the brand's new Santa Fe, including a blind spot view monitor, safe exit warning, 360-degree camera, remote smart park assist, and 7 airbags, including a centre airbag to stop front passengers colliding in the event of an accident. The new Hyundai Tucson is bigger in all key dimensions, and after a quick inspection, it's clear the boot is big, the cabin is longer, and there's plenty of stretching space for 4 full-size adults. That's all well and good, but we've only been given a short amount of time to check out South Korea's latest SUV. So let's see how it drives. Being behind the wheel of this Tucson N-Line is a pretty big deal. It's so special, in fact, Hyundai tells us that Aussie motoring journos are some of the first to get behind the wheel of this prototype. The drivetrain in this particular model is the 1.6-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol, which comes mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch auto with power sent to all 4 wheels. It provides plenty of grunt off the line and does a decent job in the Tucson, but feels like it could do with a little more power, especially if you were carrying a full load of passengers and luggage. The dual clutch could also do with some finesse, as it felt snappy at times, but more so in sport drive mode. Because we can't drive this prototype out on public roads, Hyundai has brought us to this private little track in Marulan, and first impressions are really good. The steering is nice and light and nimble for an SUV, and it actually feels like a small SUV, despite this Tucson being bigger than its predecessor. And thanks to the new cabin design, visibility is great out every direction. And while it's difficult to grasp just how the new Tucson will perform out in the real world, the little taste we've been given of it here at Pheasantwood Circuit has made a pretty good first impression. It's still a few more months away, but if this prototype comes close to what we can expect from the brand new Hyundai Tucson when it launches down under, well, rivals had better watch out.